Hello everybody, thank you for tuning in to our wonderful newsletter. I hope you enjoy reading it as much as we love making it for you. I want to say hi to my mom. I always like to do that. So I want to remind everybody, we are still continuing with our current offer, which is 10% off the entire store online. And then we will also be doing free shipping if you just order over $50 worth of merchandise. So super easy, super fun, and with Christmas you can load up. We are well stocked. We get more stuff coming in every day, so it's been exciting. One new item that has just come in, we've got our Al Johnson's branded Swedish Glögg. It's a non-alcoholic beverage. It's made to be used as a mixer, so you can, if you've got that family recipe and you wanna use ours and add whatever alcohol you would like. We've got 3 of our own recipes on there. So we've got like our traditional Al's recipe. We've got our fun recipe that we use out in Stabor during the summer called Swedish Sangria, and then we have the Viking Blood of Winter if you really want the high test, small little glass version there that a lot of Swedes enjoy, I think. So look for this out, and there's like a lot of stores will be having it. Hopefully we'll get it out to all the grocery stores, but we'll definitely have it here at Al's. Also, another thing to remind you, we're going to be doing a store-wide sale at Skull and at the Butik. It'll be 25% off store-wide, with a few exceptions: food, beverage, and books, and gift cards, of course. So come on out to the stores and check that out. And we're going to try a little of this right now here. Oh gosh, see? Cheers.